Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access digital codes on Amazon. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So at first, open your preferred web browser and go to Amazon's official website. Once you're in the website, make sure you're signed into your account. And now, to access the digital code on Amazon, firstly, you'll have to click on the profile icon at the top right corner. Here you can see your orders in the menu, and beside your orders, you can see all button. Simply click on it. Since we want to track the digital codes, simply click on filter option. And now in filter by order type option, mark on the digital orders and click on the apply button. Now after filtering it out, you'll be able to see digital orders on this page, which furthermore will help you to find your digital code on Amazon. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.